I will tell you one hydrating and cooling face mask for summers. For that, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of Kaolin clay, and then I'm using 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and rest I will use rose water. Friends, aloe vera gel and rose water both are very beneficial for our skin. During summers, it is very useful to keep hydrated your skin. Now, these two ingredients, aloe vera gel and rose water, you can store in your fridge to keep it cool. Now, another ingredient, kaolin clay, is very good for summers. It absorbs excess oil and reduces acne as well. So, it is very good for fighting wrinkles and for absorbing excess oil. So, this is the best hydrating and cooling face mask for summers. So, please give it a try. Hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and